Candace Carter Thoughts to go. I'm in my husband's studio talking to him through his work in his room. Hello, Toodilo. I found this old picture of you with somebody, I don't remember who it is, but it also has a painting of yours in the back, and you're young, good looking, the way I met you, and I'm going to take this photograph and put it right here where you always used to sit. Now this, I will move back so everybody can see it. This was kind of like your little hideaway, your little cubby hole. And you could sit here, and if somebody came through the door, they wouldn't even know you were there. So let's see what you've got in this little corner. Oh my goodness. The radio, how many times did you tell me on the next morning? Oh, I was going to go to bed, but then they were playing Gustav Mahler's Fifth for the 100th time, and I still had to hear it again. Or you would say, oh, there was free jazz. Oh, my God. I knew nothing about free jazz, but you did. You listened to it. You were a radio man. And this was the corner. You listened to the radio, or you looked at one of your many, 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 many books. And just chilled, thought about the world, thought about what can I pay, what's going on. And this is one of my favorites. This is a little bottle of beer. It's still half full. I'm sorry, I couldn't throw it away yet, but it's Russell beer, which is the cheapest beer there is. And you always said, yeah, I don't like all this fancy beer stuff. I just like the cheapy ones, like the guys on the street. We drink it, and there were some things you may have had in common with the guys on the street. So I'm moving up here, and I will show you your best friend. That's Jesus. It's from some iconographic painting. Beautiful head. That was your best friend all your life. And if I move over here, I'm going to go up the wall, which this time I don't want to do. I want to move over here and show, you had lots of hidden places. You would take old drawers and make new places to hang up all your paraphernalia, which you had a lot of. So you can find a lot of stuff in here, lots of paraphernalia. And you go up here, and there's some, where am I? Homeopathic medicine in the back. If you go up here, I thought this was great. There's a little Buddha. Hi, little Buddha. And some medicine again. And there's this kind of, oh, look at your change. You always kept change in case you needed it for something. And this little head skull I showed in the last video I did of this room. And then you move down here, and there's just glasses and old cassettes and medicine and moving up. And now, of course, there's just lots of books I'm going to be going through one of these days. And I want to do enough in here so that when I do decide to take things down, look, football, soccer was always important to you. And how about cooking like they do in the fuzz? Well, whatever. Before I take this down, I wanted to film it and talk to you about all the stuff you collected. You were a collector. Look at this. Now, if I go down, I'll find a wooden crate with some plastic covers, maybe for the bike. And if I move back here, I'm going to sit down in your chair and show you. Now, if I move down here, you'll see my feet, because this is where you put your feet when they were tired. Or, take my sandals now, you put your feet up here to rest them, because you did have varicose veins and you had to put your feet up sometime. All right, put mine back down. Now if I move up here, I'm going to the light. To the light, to the light. Oh my God, is it a symbol for where you went? No, you would say. No, it's not a symbol. Don't, make something of nothing. Make it be less important. It's not that important. It's exactly what you always said to me. 50% less, and then you're right. So I can't take 50% off of this light because the whole room's in yellow light. I had to turn it on to be able to see anything. Now, I love this painting here. See if I can pull it in. I can't pull it in. Yeah, I can. It looks like somebody's flying down, but actually somebody is, I don't know if I can do this, laying down, but it doesn't matter. I'll do something about the painting on another video, but it's on its side, which is, always interesting for us artists. You turn something on its side, it changes totally sometimes and helps you know how to continue painting it. So anyway, here we are in this room, in your little corner. Sometimes people ask me if they can come and sit in your little corner. Look at this. This is a drawing from probably from Sub Edge. It was your corner, and I've spent many hours here. Mourning, missing you. And sooner or later, we will start to take down this room, but until then, I have a few more videos in mind. I can show you, I can move out here, and then you can all see where we are. That's your studio. Everything's yellow today. And back into your little cubbyhole corner. And I'm saying goodbye for now, sweetie. Bye-bye.